Here's a new 2019 Buick Encore. This perfectly sized and nimble Encore is perfectly suited for your next adventure. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: automatic transmission, front heated leather bucket seats, Bluetooth streaming audio, auto-dimming rearview mirror, dual-zone climate control, power tilt-down heated mirrors, external memory control, aluminum wheels, doors and push-button start proximity key, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Popular Mechanics comments the Encore delivers a luxury car quiet in a handsomely designed cabin. Experience a different kind of luxury with a Buick. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
The deals won't get any better than they are every day at Ferguson Buick GMC. The customer service is great too. We are conveniently located off I-35 and West Robinson Street in Norman, Oklahoma.